Okay, we're just doing coilovers for this video, you guys. Alright guys, welcome back to Izar's YouTube channel. I've taken over because Izar passed away recently. So I'm going to be taking his car anyways. So today we're going to be installing new coilovers on my car. I got RACELAND coilovers.
Yeah. So we're going to see if
it's under all of this stuff.
They're worth the price and if they're as bad as people say they are. Because I think there's mixed reviews on them. So
exactly.
We'll see.
Alright, so basically today guys, we're going to be doing an install on the RACELAND coilovers and do a review. There aren't that many reviews on them so far. I've seen a couple, but yeah, we'll just see how they are, I guess.
We'll let you know how it goes. Well, progress report. It's a big mess, but we got both sides out. We're just figuring out how to put the spring and the shock back into it, because when I did mine, I only did the springs because I got lowering springs, not coilovers. And these are RACELAND, right? It didn't come with instructions, so we're watching it, but so far so good. We're gonna head to the front after this. No, here, the mark of a good mechanic is when you have extra parts when reinstalling it. Yeah, we're good. Alright guys, so I finished my side. I already put the wheel back on. Alif and Riku are working on lining up the control arm bolt, and then we can drop the car and then move to the fronts. We just had them maxed out for now, and we'll figure out the ride height later. So yeah. Bro, look at this. He's completely maxed out, dude. The tuck fitment goes crazy. Look at that. Dude, oh my god. We'll roll your quarters and fenders another day, but dude, this fitment's crazy. Perfect. Alright, now we're gonna move to the front and hopefully get this done by tonight. Alright guys, so I've been out here all day. I speed ran the passenger side, so the coilover is now in. All I have to do is put the lower control arm back in the spindle and tighten it, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow because it's like 15 degrees right now and I'm like really cold and it's just dark. All my lights are about to die, but I mean, as you can see, like I'm completely dirty right now, but I'm happy this was a lot faster than the first time I did it when it was on my car, because I was just able to speed run this. I think Alif made it halfway on the other side, but I'm really happy with the progress so far. The rears are completely done. This is 90% done, and the driver's side is like 50-60% done. So I'm gonna check in with you guys tomorrow because it's really cold and I'd rather be doing this in the daylight with the sun out. So yeah, until tomorrow. side on, everything's all buttoned up. We just got the original strut assembly out of the driver's side, and then Alex gonna put the coilover back in, and then we are done and dusted. We're gonna drop the car, and then hopefully everything's gonna go well, but I'm interested to see what the tires are gonna do to the fender and bumper, since we don't have that inner piece to both mount this together. So hopefully it doesn't do anything to the tires. We haven't rolled it yet, so fingers crossed.
Alright guys, so coilovers are all done. Everything is in and installed, hopefully properly. Yeah, so we're about to take out the bumper right now because
As a reckless driver.
yeah, as you can see, I hit a small school bus of children and then it's completely cracked. So we're gonna put the old bumper back on just for a little bit. Well,
That was a joke.
that was not true. Just letting you know. But yeah, we're gonna repair that bumper first, which is why we're taking it off, and then we're gonna put this in the meantime while we repair that. But yeah, I might just get some spray paint all the scratches and everything, because like, who cares about this bumper, you know? This one's already like messed up. But yeah, see you guys in a bit.
Guys, we got the fronts down. Oh my god, this tuck fitment is crazy. So like over here, there's still clearance, but once you get closer to the bumper / fender area, it's literally touching on the tire. But you're good. Go. Bro, this thing is dummy low. Oh my goodness. Dude, this fitment's crazy. Also, we put an original bumper back on, but holy crap. Dude.
Alright, let's torque everything.
Yeah. Yo, this is so crazy. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. Bro, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but he is rubbing so hard on the front. Oh. You're good. Yeah, so we're gonna raise the car again and then raise the height on the coilovers because it's rubbing on all 4 wheels. So we're just gonna get back to that and then check in after we finish that. Hey guys, first ride in here. Definitely feels lower. I can hear it, yeah. I think I may have messed up the right side rear because it's like creaking as we drive, and when we try raising the spring, the whole perch spins with it. So probably gonna take a look at it another day, but yeah, it feels okay so far.
I'd say the ride quality is not bad at all.
Yeah, honestly, yeah.
Like you can only feel it on big bumps, but like you're gonna feel that on any car. So.
Yeah, like if you're on a budget, like honestly, RACELAND isn't that bad. Like
Honestly, it's really good because like how cheap it is, and you get lifetime warranty.
right. Because like obviously the roads in my neighborhood aren't completely terrible, but they're not perfect either. So like there's a bunch of like divots and everything in the road, and like honestly, it kind of feels like OEM.
And it
handles well.
better now.
It's not as good as OEM. It's not as like
Comfort wise, but again, I feel the car definitely is more planted than an OEM.
100%. Yeah.
And like you definitely feel the road a lot more, but I mean, if that's kind of what you want,
Right.
in the first place.
Honestly, it feels good.
Yeah, if you're just on a budget and you want something to just make your car handle a little bit better, then RACELANDs are honestly a good option. Much better than max speeding rods.
Oh, max speeding
I'll say
rods. That's driving on a hope and a prayer right there. The RACELAND controversy has been debunked. It's honestly not bad. Like for the money you're paying, I think it's bang for your buck.
It's half the price of like a regular coilover, so I think it's
Right,
really
because
good.
like BCBR coilovers are what,
like almost 1200.
yeah, they're like 1200. They're exactly half.
Yeah.
exactly have a VCBR. Obviously, those have like the dampening settings and like the whole 9 yards, but
this is good for someone who just wants to start off, you know.
All right, not too shabby. Oh, that sounds great. Okay guys, well, as you can see, I took apart the right rear side again, and I figured out before I even took it apart, I had the spring upside down. So the flat part, I guess I mistakenly put it as the top where it's actually supposed to be the bottom. And yeah, I'm just gonna get back to putting this together and then adjusting it to the same ride height that Olive put on the other side. So happy it was the right side, I mean the rear, that I messed up on, because it's a lot easier to take apart than the fronts. So yeah, I'm just gonna get to it. Everyone makes mistakes. Alright, what's up guys? I kind of forgot to record me putting everything back together, but I did. So now I'm taking it on a test drive, and hopefully it doesn't make that weird noise anymore. But unless we cut his bumper, or like actually find the fastener to fasten it to the fender, it's rubbing the tires. The front tires are rubbing so hard on his bumper because it like flares out since it's just loose. But yo, this window thing is annoying out of me. I'm just taking it on a test drive to see if I hear any weird noises, but it's low-key kind of hard because his car is so loud, so I can't hear anything. So I'm trying to find like potholes. Ignore the BMW chime. That is, I didn't even edit that in. That's literally Alif's like window regulator thing being funny, and it's really annoying. But I'm going 40 miles an hour right now. Hope we're fine-ish right now, but I want to see if I can go 60 and hear any weird noises. Oh. This window regulator thing is, I accidentally clicked up on the right rear window when I was trying to close the passenger front window, and now that thing will not shut up. Okay, forget everything Alif and I said about it feeling like OEM. It definitely does not. We were just driving in the neighborhood and driving slowly, so I was kind of only experiencing like slow speeds, but now it's like kind of stiff but also kind of not. Just very clunky. Like, just the road kind of makes it feel like it's not terrible by any means, but it's not the best either. So like, I mean, I still stand by what I say on how it's bang for your buck, but also, Olive is very low on this, so that also might be another reason. But it's kind of annoying. Any small bump hitting the, not hitting anything, but just making that noise. And besides that noise, all I hear is the tire squeaking against the bumper. So, yeah. We're gonna fix that window regulator, because hearing that every 15 seconds is very pleasant. But yeah, I will check in with you guys when he's back with me, so I have a second person to verify that I am not hearing anything weird, especially on the outside. So yeah. Oh, also I forgot to mention, until we fix this bumper fender situation, we have like negative turning radius. Like, we can turn-ish, but it has to be at like slow-ish speeds. If we turn at like fast speeds, we are going to wreck the front bumper. So, oh, I low-key fumbled. Okay, so the road I'm taking right now, yo, I look like a sweet potato. God. The road that I'm taking right now has this really big divot in the where like it goes down and then oh I just rubbed so hard, dude. Oh, dude, that sounds terrible. I mean, so far so good. It's not the most pleasant riding experience, but it's not the worst either. It's just very clunky in here, so yeah. This car was about to rear end me because I had to go so slow for that bump in the road. But yeah, check in with you guys in a bit.
Okay, so we fixed the problem because, what do you call it? We just installed the spring upside down, but it's good. I mean, it rides like how you expect $600 coilovers to ride. It's really not that bad. It honestly only rides this like this, or the way it does. Nice. Okay. Sick.
I'll leave that in.
What was I gonna say? Oh, yeah. Okay, so we fixed the problem. We just installed the spring back, not backwards, upside down, and then so ride quality wise, it's really not that bad. It's obviously bumpy, but that's just because
It's
I have it on a
clunky in the front. That's it.
Yeah, it like makes noise,
yeah,
but like
normal.
I mean, it's coilovers. Kind of like, what do you expect? It only rides kind of stiff for me because I have it kind of on like a lower setting, and
But it's, to be honest, it's not even that stiff. It's like,
yeah, it's really not that bad. It's like
old shocks. What the? It's like old shocks and struts.
yeah, but it feels like nice when you're in turns and everything. Like the car feels pretty planted. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not much to say.
All right, guys. Stay tuned for next video. We got some special things coming for the front end, and we're also going to be rolling his fenders in the next video. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, nothing is impossible. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.